Give me my gang. Give me Carl. Gentlemen, in this round, point values are triple. Surveyed 100 people. Top 5 answers on the board. Here we go. Name a sauce you would order with the thick and juicy steak. Carl.
Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce.
Mushroom sauce.
Mushroom sauce.
Yeah! We play. We play.
We play. Ingavallo, let's go. Name a sauce you would order with a thick steak, juicy steak.
Chili sauce, Steve.
Chili sauce.
Yeah!
Good answer.
Yeah!
That's good, that's good, that's good.
Joel, give me a sauce you would order with a thick and juicy steak.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Chili sauce.
Sweet chili sauce. Valencia, only one strike. Give me a sauce you would order with a thick and juicy steak.
Steve, I will go with Prego sauce.
Prego. Prego sauce. We got 2 strikes, family. We need to be careful here. The Cootsie family could steal. Kanimamba.
Yes.
Be careful, we got 2 strikes. Name a sauce you would order with a thick and juicy steak.
I think you find this at almost every braai, so I would say chakalaka.
Yeah.
Chakalaka. Family, here's the deal. I've got 2 answers on that board. If you give me either one of those answers, your family steals, your family gets the points, your family wins the game, you'll be playing for the jackpot of 75,000 Rand. If you do not give me that answer, the other family wins the game and they will play for 75,000 Rand. This does it. This decides who plays for the grand jackpot. Name a sauce you would order with a thick and juicy steak.
We're definitely going with pepper sauce.
This is for the win. Pepper sauce. You won that round, but because the score is 344 to 348, the Shabala Live family has won the game. But Cootsie family, you don't go away empty-handed, because you're gonna walk out of here with 17,200 Rand and a year's worth of KFC to the value of 10,000 Rand. Well done. Thanks to the folks at KFC. Great sports, great family. Hey, I need 2 of you. I need 2 of you right here to play Fast Money. I got my man, and I got Valencia. We'll be right back. Fast Money, 75,000 Rand, y'all.